Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting vlog. Today is Sunday, the 9th of August 2022. Here I am filming how this beautiful Sunday would go as a mom of two. Yes, so this is my realistic Sunday reset as a mom. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Now guys, before I get into this video, I would like to appreciate you all, I mean every one of you, for clicking on this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. To my new viewers, please do not forget to join the family by clicking on the subscribe button. I would really love you to join the family. And to my return subscribers, thank you for the constant support always. I love you all. Please do enjoy watching this video, and while you watch it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. It goes a long way in helping my channel grow. So my darlings, this Sunday is a relaxing Sunday, is a chill Sunday. Reason because we're not going anywhere, although I'm going to be fixing the things I need to fix in the house, and I will also be planning for the coming new week. I mean, that's the reason why I started with exercising, since we're not going anywhere. As a mom of two, after giving birth to my damn selves, I'm still working on my abdominal muscles, okay? So yes, I'm still exercising. So my darlings, welcome back to my channel once again. Guys, like that exercise is something else. Like it's amazing. It makes me feel like refreshed, and you know, one thing exercise does is it helps blood flow, okay? Yes. And anyway, let me not go too deep into that, because I intend talking about that in my next video. Yes, so let me not, you know, chip everything in here. So my darlings, I'm about to take tea, which is one of my morning ritual, especially on Sundays. And if you've seen some of my vlogs, you will see that I usually start it with taking tea or roots, okay? Yeah, so that's one of my secrets. I know that a lot of you have asked me questions via DM on how am I a mom of two, and I look like I've not even dropped one. Okay, yeah, like I said, my darlings, I would like to answer those questions in a video. And the truth is, I actually want to do it as a live video, and I'm not up to 1,000 subscribers yet, because I tried saying if I can go live, and I got a message saying I need to get up to 1,000 subscribers. So my darlings, when I get up to 1,000 subscribers, I will answer those questions, okay? So my darlings, the hot water is ready. Ooh, look at that. I need to turn off the gas. Yeah, so once I'm done taking this tea now, I'll start my morning duties. My kids are still sleeping. Once I'm done taking the tea, I'll go wake them up and give them their breakfast, and then I'll start doing everything that I've planned doing today. Yesterday being Saturday, the 8th of August, I went to the market to do my monthly box shopping. So if you're seeing this video now, it's most likely I've uploaded that one before this one, because today is 9th of August and I shot my market vlog yesterday, 8th of August. Yeah, so the items I came back from the market with, yesterday I was able to arrange some, but I couldn't cook yesterday. Reason because of I got back late and I was obviously exhausted. Like I said in my previous vlogs, I know I've mentioned this in one or two of my vlogs, I always listen to my body, okay? Because I'm a mom of two toddlers living in Nigeria without a maid. Not having a maid or house help is my choice, okay? So yes, I know how to, I listen to my body a whole lot. Once I'm exhausted, or once I'm getting to that point of exhaustion, I just stop every other thing and carry it over. Yeah, so I didn't cook yesterday. So I'm definitely going to be cooking today. which is meal preparation for the week, especially for my kids. And then I'm going to make stew in large quantity, in large amounts, so it can carry us for the week. Either whenever I want to make jollof rice, or whenever I want to, you know, maybe serve the stew with plain spaghetti or boiled yam. Yes, with that being said, my darlings, it seems like my kids are up. Okay, let me just rush this up. With that being said, towards the end of the day, I will definitely draft my family food menu. Okay, I was supposed to do that yesterday, but I couldn't do that because I did some cleanings in the house before I went to the market. So I will just quickly, before the end of today, definitely I will draft my Nigerian food menu for my family, and I'll carry you guys alongside. My girls are up, I need to go check up on them. Yes, I'll carry you guys alongside how I draft my Nigerian food menu, and then I would link it up to how I did my box shopping yesterday, why I bought the things I bought. Okay, because my food menu is usually a guide in knowing what to buy and what not to buy. Okay, because I do a realistic food menu for my family, especially now that there is inflation of price on food items. I don't just go to the market to buy. No, I buy with the guidelines, using the guidelines of my food menu and the list, of course, that I write to go to the market with. I don't know if I made sense. With that being said, let me quickly gulp this tea, and my kids are up, especially my second daughter. When she wakes up and she doesn't see me, she starts crying. So I need to go check up on her. You can hear her voice. Baby? Carry it to the tray, baby.
Mommy, see.
Sarama, what do you say to mommy?
Thank you. Remember, I'll just, huh? That's mommy, the right. I'm thankful for giving me a daddy.
You're welcome, my baby. Let me help you. I take off your bib. Good girl. Go to your room. Don't worry, I'll carry it for you. My darlings, one good thing I did for myself as a mom is sleep training my kids. I started sleep training them right from when they were babies. Okay, for those who has been following my Instagram, I'm sure you can attest to that because I always shared my life my life experience as a mom via my Instagram before I came here on YouTube. Yeah, so my darlings, after covering my kids up, I came to the car to pick up the duvets I left in the car yesterday. I mean, I picked them up from the laundry yesterday, but I didn't remove them from the car. So yes, I just had to use the opportunity to do that while my kids are sleeping. Now, one more thing I would like to say is this. Once my girls are sleeping, I try to rest as well. As a mom, motherhood is not easy. It's tougher than it looks. It goes beyond the beautiful pictures we post on social media. It goes way beyond that. So one thing I have learned to do for myself is once my kids are sleeping, I try to rest. No matter how much I want to use that time to do things in the house, I have just learned to, take care of my own self as well. I need to be sane to take care of my kids. And how do I do that? Is by having my own me time. It's either I read a book or I just sleep. Okay, but right now I try to read a book, but sincerely guys, I slept off even before reading a page. Now what am I trying to say? My darlings, my dear moms out there, body no be firewood. In English, the body needs rest. Okay, please do not overwork your body. Your children need you to be sane as well. So yes, immediately after I got up, we got done with our evening routines. Guys, I shot a video on a proper evening routine, which is the reason why I didn't include that in this video. I'll definitely post it in the course of this coming week. So what you see me doing here is drafting the food menu I talked about earlier on. So my darlings, I'm done drafting my realistic food menu for my family. I use the word my family because everybody is inclusive in this food menu, including my kids. They are not exempted. My kids, they eat real food. Okay, that's one good thing I did for myself. I introduced my kids to solid food very early, which has actually been very helpful because I don't have to cook food for adults separately and then I start cooking baby food or start making baby food. No, we all eat the same thing in this house. The only thing I cook differently for them is their okra soup. Okay, so my darlings, this is food list. In this food list is different type of food ingredients that we have available in the house. So what I do is when I'm writing or drafting the food menu, I just go to the food list, see what I can pick for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. With that being said, my darlings, thank you so much. You all, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking the video. Okay, thank you for dropping your comments because I know you will. Okay, I need to go and sleep now. My eyes are heavy, which is the reason why I'm actually not showing my face. My eyes are really heavy, my darlings. What a day, what a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Remember, I'll drop the link to other interesting videos, okay, in the description box. Should in case you have the time, please keep watching. Enjoy other videos in my channel. Now, bye-bye. Do have a lovely, fruitful, blissful week ahead. Thank you for watching.